Sebastian wants to go on vacation, but doesn't know where he should go. He calls his scientist friend, Galileinstein, to see if he can help him decide. Galileinstein was in his lab when Sebastian called. Galileinstein suggests that the weather Sebastian goes to depends on the biome. Sebastian had never heard of biomes before, but Galileinstein was happy to explain. A biome is a large area of the world that has the same type of plants, animals, and climate. There are many different types of biomes on the planet. Each biome has a different type of plant and animal that can survive and live happily there. Some of the types of biomes include mountains. The largest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, which is in Asia in the country of Nepal. Tropical rainforests. You can find the world's biggest rainforest in the Amazon River Basin in South America. Grasslands are large flat lands with tall and waving grass. One of the countries with more grasslands is Ireland, where 60% of its territory is covered by grass. The tundras are like cold, frozen deserts, but there is ice instead of sand. You can find tundra in Antarctica. Some more biomes are deserts. They can get super hot because there is very little rainfall and plenty of hot sand. Temperate forests have many deciduous trees that change colors in the fall, creating a colorful scenery. The African savanna takes up 1/5 of the continent. Basically, the African savanna is grassland with trees. Other biomes are found in the ocean and islands where many fish and marine animals make their home. Each biome holds different classes of animals. An animal class is made of a group of animals that are alike in many important ways. Scientists group animals together in classes so that it is easier to study them. The main groups of animal classification are mammals, reptiles, amphibians, fish, birds, and arthropods. Let's take a closer look at each group and talk about the main characteristics of each class. Mammals are animals that have fur or hair on their bodies and have live babies, not eggs. Animals that are classified as birds have wings, feathers, and lay eggs. Not all birds are able to fly, so scientists can't make that one of the main characteristics of birds. Reptiles are animals that have scales and breathe air by using lungs. Some common reptiles are crocodiles and turtles. Amphibians are animals that live part of their life underwater and part of their life out of water. They have both gills and lungs during different parts of their lives. Fish are animals that live their entire lives underwater, have fins, and breathe through gills on the sides of their bodies. Arthropods include insects, crabs, and spiders. They are animals with segmented bodies, divided into sections. Sometimes they are divided into 2 sections, and sometimes they are divided into 3 sections. Arthropods do not have backbones. That means they're invertebrates. Scientists who study biomes and habitats are called ecologists. Their main work is to study the nature of an area and see how animals interact with it and live. Scientists that study animal classification are called zoologists. Sebastian was so excited to tell Galileinstein about the biome he chose for his vacation, but when he got to the lab, Galileinstein was nowhere to be found. As it turned out, all that talk about animals, nature, and marine biomes made Galileinstein decide to take a vacation of his own. Way to go, Galileinstein! Look for the experiment on our website at www.BRAINopolis.org. And remember, the more you play, the more you learn.